not gonna put all the stuff in there.
Anyways, come over here. That's my brother getting ready to put this casing on the tube. I hate for you guys to have to watch all this, but I gotta get so much time on it because I can only do this in parts. Because I do not have pause on this phone for this. I've looked everywhere. Anyway, we're making beef snack sticks, and my finger was probably in the way. We've done got the air out. We'll run just a little bit out the end. Got the air out, so.
I'll tell you right now. Just twist it.
Anyways, this is my brother here. He's doing the stuffing. And he's the one always sneaking hot dog and Polish sausage on the grill. If it ain't a Polish sausage or smoked sausage, it's a hot dog. It's either he puts it on the grill or in the smoker, or sometimes he puts them in a pot of beans when we're not looking. Just wish I knew how to pause this. I know what to do. Once you get this one run out, he can show you how we cut them, then this just has to be part one. Roll them up like that, keep it from breaking. Don't want them falling off the table. We ain't made beef snack sticks in quite a while, but we used to make them all the time. There's our stuffer.
Stuff right up. We're gonna cut them anyway, so.
I'm getting in the way. We can go around the other side. Anyway, about 3 or 4 minute deal is all I'll get out of it. We just take a chopstick, cut them about that size. I'll shut it down after he cuts 3 or 4 of them. Because then we just got to put them on a rack and let them set and dry just a little bit. And then I'll show you when we put them on the smoker. Go on this side over here. Anyways, that's good. That's all I can do right now with this. We're gonna finish stuffing these out, and I'll come back when we start to put them on the smoker. This ain't a learn to video anyways. It's just me and my brother smoking some meat, and we're just showing you guys what we're doing. Over and out.